Hi fashionists, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Design. If you are new here, I am Inaya Ali and today we are diving into the world of fashion. We are going to explore some super halter bodycon dresses. There are all the rage right now. Whether you are into blurred patterns or cute design, I have got something special for you. So make sure to stick around until the end and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more trendy updates. Let's start with the basic. A bodycon dresses is a fitted dress that hugs your body shape. It's perfect for showing off your style and confidence, and when we add prints to these dresses, they become even more fun and fashionable. From polka dots to floor, there are prints bodycon dresses for more everyone. First, we have floral prints. These dresses are great for a sweet and feminine look. Imagine wearing a bodycon dresses with colorful flowers or all over it. It's perfect for spring and summer. Floral prints can make you look cheerful and fresh. If you love flowers, a flower print, the Hilter bodycon dresses is a must-have. Next, let's talk about strips. Strip bodycon dresses are super trendy. They can make you look tailored and similar. Whether you prefer or versatile strips, these dresses are style and versatile. You can wear them to a party or even just a casual day out. Strips add a touch of elegance to your outfits. Polka dots are always in fashion. These fun and playful prints are great for adding a touch of retro charm to your look. A bodycon dress with polka dots is perfect for a fun day out with friends or a casual events. It's a classic print that never goes out of style. If you want to stand out, animal prints are a great choice. These spread pattern can make your bodycon dresses look fierce and fabulous. Leopard, spots, zebra, stripes, and snake patterns are all popular choice. If you love making a statement, and animal prints bodycon dresses is the way to go. Geometric patterns are modern and chic. These dresses feature shape like triangles, squares, and circles. They can create a unique and stylish look. If you like a more contemporary vibe, geometric print bodycon dresses are perfect for you. Abstract prints are all about creative. They do not have a specific patterns and can be very colorful and artist and abstract print body dresses can make be a real conversation starter. If you love RCT design and want something different for an abstract prints, combine different animal prints can be really fun. For example, a dress with a mix of leopard, spots, zebra strips can make you super stylish. It's a blurred choice, but if you are confident, it may can you look amazing. Seasonal print designed to match different times of the year. For example, tropical prints are great for summer, while prints are perfect for fall. By choosing the right seasonal prints, you can stay trendy all year round. Now let's talk about styling these dresses. You can pair a printed bodycon, halter bodycon dresses with simple accessories to keep the focus on the dress. For example, if you are wearing a floor dress, try matching and it with a cute pair of sandals or small bag. Remember to keep it small, simple so the prints stand out. You can also style your bodycon dresses for different times of the day. For a day look, for light colors and simple accessories. For a night look and some sparkle with jewelry and high heels. You can transform your dress casual to glamorous and with just a few changes. It's important to choose a bodycon dresses that fit you well. Make sure it's comfortable and hug your body in the right way. Some brands are known for their amazing printed halter bodycon dresses. For example, brands like for stylish and trendy options, check out these collections to find the perfect dress for you. You can find printed bodycon dresses in many places, online stores, local boutiques, and big fashion chains all have great selection. Make sure to shop around to find the best deals and styles. When buying online, it's important to check the size chart and read reviews. This will help you find the right fit and quality. Do not forget at return policies just in case the dress does not fit perfectly. To keep your printed bodycon dresses looking great, follow the care instruction, wash it gently and avoid using harsh detergents. Proper care will help your dresses last longer and stay looking fresh. Here are some fun ideas for styling your printed bodycon dresses. Halter bodycon dresses, you can add a matching belt to achievement your waist or wear a cute for a playful look. Do not be afraid to experiment and make the dress your own. Many celebrities love wearing printed bodycon dresses. You can find inspiration from stars see how they style their dresses for different events and get some ideas for your own outfits. Accessories is key to completing your look. Pair your printed bodycon dresses with matching jewelry and a stylish handbag. Simple accessories can enhance your outfit without overpowering the print. Who choosing shoes and bags to match your dress? Go for colors that complements the print. For example, if your dress has a bright colors, choose accessories in natural tones. This will create a balanced and fashionable look. Fashion trends change with the season. Keep an eye on seasonal trends to make sure your printed halter bodycon dresses is always in style. Follow fashion blogs and magazine for the latest update. If you are feeling creative, you can even design your own printed bodycon dresses. Use fabric markers or paints to create unique patterns and design. It's a fun way to express your personal style. Printed bodycon dresses are versatile, can be worn for uh, whether it's a casual day out of a special event. You can find a print that suits that occasion. Just adjust your accessories and styling to match the event. You do not have to spend a lot to find a great halter bodycon dresses. Many stores offer stylish options at affordable price. Look out for sales and discount to get the best deals. Even kids and if you want to make a statement with your printed bodycon dress, go for blood and eye-catching prints. The more unique the patterns, the more attention you will get. Do not be afraid to stand out when choosing a bodycon dresses. Comfort is key. Look for dresses made for stretchy and breathable fabric. This will ensure you feel great all day long. No matter where you go, layering is a great way to add more style to your dress. Try wearing a jacket over your bodycon dress for a chic look. Layering also help you stay warm during cooler weather. Mixing different prints a fun and fashionable look. Just make sure the prints complements each other. For example, you can pair strip top with the floor skirts for a playful outfits. Mixing halter bodycon dresses with solid colored accessories can create a balanced look. Choose accessories in colors that match one of the hues in your prints. This helps your outfit look choose and stylish. Bodycon dresses are great for people of all age. From young fashionistas to adult, there are bodycon dresses with prints that suit everyone. It's all about finding the right styles and fit. So choose a halter bodycon dresses that match your personality. Whether you are playful, elegant, or blurred, there's a print that suits you. Your dress should reflect who you are. For special occasions like parties or weddings, look for dresses with glamorous print. Sequins, metallic, and elegant patterns can make your outfit stand out. Finding great deals or printed bodycon dresses can make be fun. Check out sales, online discounts, and outlet store. You can find style dressing without spending a lot. And so there you here have printed bodycon, halter bodycon dresses. Feeling confident in bodycon dresses is all about owning your look. Stand tall, smile, and wear you dress with pride. Confident make any outlook to amazing. Remember to like this video if you enjoy it and subscribe to my channel Fashion Design for more fashion tips and trends. Share this video with your friends so they can discover these amazing dresses too.